Hello children, good morning. In the chapter shapes and angles, we have next part 6. Let's see that. Here we have to note down something like number 1. Right angle is an angle of exactly 90 degrees. Okay, you will note down this point in your copy. Okay, you know right angle. This is the right angle. Its measure is exactly 90 degree. Okay, next number 2. Second number is straight angle is an angle of exactly 180 degrees. Okay, straight angle is like when you make like this is the vertex, first hand and second hand, and the angle is like this is 180 degree, measure is 180 degree. Okay, and that is straight angle. Next point, you know very well that straight angle is equal to 2 into right angle. Okay, because when we have a straight angle like this, okay, so we can make here two right angle, one right angle and other right angle. Okay, so we have one and two right angle. Okay, it means this total is 180 degree. Okay, okay, and the first one is 90 and the second one is also 90, so that is 90 plus 90 180. That's why straight angle is equal to 2 into right angle. So you will note down all the 3 points in your notebook. Okay, you will note down all that in your notebook. Okay, let's see next. So we have to start with missing angles here. Okay, missing angles, you will not get that topic in your book, but this is very important for this chapter. Missing angle means, just think, you have to remember two things for right angle and for straight angle. Just remember two things. Missing angle means just we have right angle. Okay, every time we just write angle name after the shape of angle. Okay, 90 degrees like this. Here we write 180 degrees. Okay, but if we are going to divide this like this, okay, we are going to make two part. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, and this is the second part. Okay, now if the value of, if the angle, this angle is 40 degree, what is there, this is 40 degree, so what will be this angle? You can find out now, it's very easy. When total, this total is 90 degree now. Okay, and the and one part of the angle is 40 degree, so then other part is, that will be, you will do 90 minus 40, that will be equal to 50 degree. Yes, very good. So answer will be here, this will be, if this is 40 degree, this will be 50 degree. Okay, yes, because this total is 90 degree. In the same way, if we have a question like this, okay, if you have this angle is 120 degree, we have to calculate orally. Okay, it's not very complicated, so we can calculate orally. Okay, so we can say a, and this is b, and this is c. Okay, so b, a and c, bac, this angle is 120 degree. Now what is value of this angle? b, bad, 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 this angle will be, you know, the total, this angle total, this total angle is what? Which angle is this? Straight angle, means DAC, DAC, this is straight angle. Total means 180. Then the first part is 120. Okay, then the second part will be 180 minus 120, and that will be is equal to, what is there, you will calculate that in your notebook, that is 60 degree. The answer will be here 60 degree. Okay, it's very easy, you don't need to calculate. Okay, so in the same way we will have some questions about this. Let's start. The first question is there. See, we have a question, this is your angle. Okay, now see, what is angle NOM is equal to 30 degree. So this is N and this is O and M. This is 30 degree. See, it is 30 degree now. And LOM is equal to 45 degree. So LO and M, that is 45 degree. Two angles are there. So what is LON? What is LON? Means start from this LO and N, this angle. Okay, it means you have to do plus. आपको ये वाला एंगल और ये वाला एंगल दोनों को प्लस कर देना है. So what is value? That is 30 degree. Here you can see 30 degree and the second is 45 degree, that is 45 degree. दोनों को जब हम प्लस कर देंगे तो प्लस प्लस मीन्स ये वाला एंगल बड़ा वाला. ये ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, यहाँ भी दिखा सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा प्लस करने के बाद? अपनी कॉपी में प्लस करिए. आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? दैट विल बी 30 डिग्री प्लस 45 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू, आंसर विल बी लाइक दिस. Sorry. So answer will be, what will be answer for angle of this LON? It will be, your answer is 75 degree. Okay, we have calculated that 75 degree. Okay, very good. Let's see the next one. Question number 2. Here what is there? Just see, angle BOC is equal to 105 degree. So what is that BOC? BO and C, that is 105 degree. Okay, now AOC, AOC means A, O and C. ठीक, this is a, if you can see that this is straight angle. What is that? Straight angle divided into two part. This is first part and this is second part. So total is 180 degree. Okay, if first part is 105, the second part क्या हो जाएगा? It means आपको 180, टोटल इट 180 माइनस फर्स्ट पार्ट को क्या कितना है? 105 माइनस 105, इसको माइनस कर लेंगे. when you will do subtraction you will get the answer is 75 degree. so this angle is 75 degree. आप दोनों को प्लस करके चेक कर लो, ये 75 डिग्री है और ये 105 डिग्री है. दोनों को प्लस करने पर कितना आएगा? 180. It means that is correct. Okay, now third part क्या है? Angle AOB. What is angle AOB? AOB means A and O and B. It means this is we are talking about straight angle. It's obviously 180 degree. Okay, this is the total is 180 degree. This is called angle AOB. So what will be answer here? It will be 180 degree. Okay, next question number 3. Here we have angle DOF. Where is DOF? First find DO and F. This is DOF. Okay, what is the value of angle? 130 degree. This is 130 degree. हमेशा इस ये जो सिंबल है एंगल का, ये सिंबल है ना, इसके बाहर एंगल का नाम लिखते हैं. ठीक है, ये मिल गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्या है? FOE. So where is FOE? Start from F, go to O, then go to E. This angle FOE. What is that? 70 degree. Yes, you can see 70 degree there. Now what is value of EOD? What is EOD? This is E. Okay, what is EOD? This is EOD na, E, O and D. Okay, so first of all, you know the total is 130 degree. Total is 130 degree. This is the first part. Okay, and this is second part of the angle. Two part na. First part we have, first part is 100, first part is 70 degree. First part is 70 degree. Now what is second part? Second part, it will be 130, that is total na, minus 70. ठीक है, so that will be, answer will be 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. You can calculate, this is 60 and this is 70, both after sum, that will be 130 degree. Okay, that is total. Next part 4. Here we have POR, that is 90 degree. Let's check it. POR, yes, that is straight angle. This is symbol of a straight angle, that is 90 degree. Now again we have two part, one first part and this is second part. Okay, first part means let's see, ROQ, that is 30 degree. It means we have to start with, this is ROQ na, RO and Q, this is first part. We have the value that 30 degree, but for the second part we don't have. Second part is angle POQ, means POQ, we don't know this. Okay, it's very easy, you can calculate mentally here. When total is 90 degree, okay, that is 90 degree, and the first part is 30 degree. So for second part, what you will do, you will subtract 90 degree minus this first part 30 degree. Okay, so 90 degree minus 30 degree, that will be, you know very well, the answer will be yes, 60 degree. So here this is 60 degree. Okay, you will note down all the questions, okay, with answer in your notebook. वीडियो को पॉज करके आप लिख लेंगे. क्वेश्चन 5 देखते हैं. लेट्स सी दैट हियर वी हैव angle. First see that angle XOZ. Where is XOZ? Find out XO and Z. That is 78 degree. Yes, that is picture में दिख रहा है आपको. Next, what is there? Angle YOZ is 32 degree. Let's see that. Where is YOZ? Yes, we have two part now. Part 1 and this is part 2. So angle YO and Z, that is 32 degree. Okay, that is 32 degree. So what will be angle XOY? XOY means this is X, O and Y. Again, to get second part we have first part. Okay, and to get second part, calculate. How to calculate it? 78 degree. This is total minus first part. First part is 32 degree. 32 degree. When you will do subtraction for this, you will get the answer. What will be answer? That will be 46 degree. So answer will be here 46 degree, and this is XOY that we have to find out. Okay, next let's see the next one. Now we have angle BOC, that is 70 degree. Where is BOC? BOC, that is 70 degree. You can see there. Now again we have two part, first part and second part. Okay, so now angle AOB आपको find करना है. What is AOB and where is AOB? Find out AOB. Wow, it's very nice. AOB means AOB, it means this is the angle. And what is the angle? This is straight angle. What is this? Straight angle. You know very well, for a given, for a straight angle, this is symbol, it is 180 degree always. Okay, so answer will be 180 degree. So yeah, you got the value of angle AOB. Now what is next part? Angle AOC. Angle AOC. Where is AOC? A, O and C. You know this total is 180 degree because it's a straight angle now, and first part is 70 degree. First part is 70 degree. So what will be second part? Second part means 180 total minus first part 70 degree. Okay, you will calculate this, and what will be answer? After subtraction you will get the angle 110 degree. It means this part is 110 degree. You can check it. दोनों को सम करके देख लेंगे आप कितना आएगा, 180, because this is straight angle. So see all about for today. We'll start next from tomorrow.